We started our day at Kobe Sumashi World. We sat very close to the tank. The view was incredible. The orca show was pretty amazing. They splashed the crowd and made everyone cheer. Leo couldn't take his eyes off the orca. The orca came close and made a huge splash, and we were all dripping. Then we joined a lucky draw near the gift shop. Leo said he wanted the pink one. We were lucky and got exactly what he wanted. That pink orca stayed in his arms the whole day. We also went to the next stadium for the dolphin show. Before the show, Leo had a sweet little moment with the dolphins. The dolphin danced to the cheerful music. This time we picked seats farther back. Leo looked much more relaxed. Sorry, I'm talking so much. I was trying to show Leo where to look for the dolphins. The show was amazing. Both kids and adults were fully entertained. The Kobe seaside was beautiful. We enjoyed the clear sky and sea air during our walk. We grabbed a table at Red Lobster for a seafood lunch. We enjoyed our lunch with a beautiful sea view. It was so relaxing. After lunch, we headed to the harbor by train. Leo soon fell asleep from the gentle ride. We got to the cruise terminal with Leo sound asleep in his stroller. And we had no idea how to get him on board. Thankfully, the crew helped carry Leo's stroller up to the boat. We truly appreciated their help. Such classic Japanese hospitality. Live music started playing. We ordered Kobe's famous Danish cheesecake. Smooth and a bit salty, the cheesecake was perfect. Cake, music, and ocean are perfect afternoon tea. We stepped out onto the deck of the cruise to take in the ocean view. Leo opened his eyes just in time for cake and views. After the cruise, we walked along the harbor as the sun went down. The city lights sparkled, turning the harbor into a magical place. We closed the day with peaceful views of Kobe at night. There will be more of our Kobe trip coming soon. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe.